Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this beautiful earbuds. It is done by a company called Bomaker and it is modeled SIFI 2. It is true wireless 5.0 Bluetooth earbuds. It is very touch sensitive, so let's see what it will bring on a table for us. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon and select all to get notified ASAP. Click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Alright, so you can see that the box is really nicely designed. It has a lot of markings around and same on the back. But once we cut the bottom and we go through and open the case itself, here are all the components that are part of this. It comes with a user manual, which is inside of a nice plastic, but you can tell that everything that we're going to cover in this video will be inside of this. The second thing that we received is a little box. Now inside of it, you should get your charger cable and some ear tips. So the ear tips are different sizes, just in case if the earbud itself is not going to fit your ear, or if it is too small, you will be able to replace them with this, so this way it will fit your ear properly. And also it comes with a charging cable. Now the charging cable is USB Type-C, which we're really looking for, and also the other side is USB 2.0, so that we can charge it quickly. Now here is the actual docking station. I really like it, the way that it's designed, and the hinges are properly too. The charger is actual USB Type-C. Going to the front part of it, you have the four little indicators. These are LED indicators that will tell you how much charge it has, and also the lid. When you open it, it opens nicely, and it doesn't feel cheap. It is a little bit ease, but which is really good. But once you close it, it makes that little noise that you need. So here you go, this is how it is, and once you look inside of it, it has everything you're looking for, even with the LED indicators on the top, and also with the names left and right, so this way you're not going to make a mistake putting it on the wrong part. And also when you take it out, you have the little charger part, so that way it will charge your earbuds properly, and the indicators are on the actual earbud is done too, and the ear tip itself is nice too, and the sensor part is right in the back where the logo is, and then you have the little LED indicator that will tell you if the headphones is on or off. Going around it, it does have some little markings here right there that will tell you this is right, and the same thing is going to go for the left one. The little things that makes this a little bit different than the other boxes is the charging wire have a little velcro around it. So this way you're not going to throw this out, and you're going to use it over and over again when you take this with you anywhere you want, so that way your docking station can get charged. Now to charge it is very easy too. You just take your USB Type-C cable that came with it and hook it up at the back of this, and make sure the other side is connected to the power source, and that's it. And you can see that it is blinking, and now it is going to be able to charge. Another good part that I really like is their logo, which is Bomaker. Beautifully it is designed, and it is printed nicely on the top so it doesn't rub off. And then going in the bottom part of this, you will get some little more information. Now I left this because there was no charge to it, so this way we can charge it up. But you can see on the top it has their name. It also says the model is called SIFI 2, and it does indicate that this capacity is 420 milliamps. Input on this is 5 volt and 0.38 amps, so it is very low. That means that it is going to be charged really quick, and you going through, it says made in China, and all the other information that you need is right here. While the earbuds are being charged, you can see the little lights on top. That means it is accepting the charge. So here is 4 lights in the front. That means it has 100% charge. And now when you look on the headphones itself, on the earbuds, it also have these little light blinking. That means it's ready for it to get paired. Alright, so in order to pair, make sure that you have your phone ready. In this case, I am using the UMDG A7 Pro. And what you need to do is go from the top bottom and make sure you go to your Bluetooth. And once it comes on, make sure that it is available and you are able to pair. So right now it is looking, as you can see it right now, and there you go, it found it already. So I will just select it, and now it says that it's just going to get paired. There you go. Now I'm going to say to pair it, and now it says connecting, and now this is connected. So you can see that the light in front of this is now solid, and now it went off. That means is that this headset is now paired. Alright, so now let's go through and test it. So there you go, now it is just playing a song. Now if I grab the headset itself and then I tap it twice, you see that it just changed the whole song. So if I tap it one time, it stops. Now if I tap it again, it plays it. So that's how easy it is for it to be able to play and also pause the actual song. So that's not the only thing. If we have to place this back in the actual case, then it should totally shut off the Bluetooth. That means it's going to be disconnected with the phone. So in order to do that, let's test that. So right now you can see that it does indicate that it has 100% of charge. So now I'm going to grab the headset itself, or the earbuds, and I'm going to place it back in the case. Did you see that it already got disconnected? So now if I have to open it, let's see how fast it will reconnect. There you go, I took it off. Now it should automatically reconnect. As you can see right now, it says connected. Now it says active. So that's how fast you will be able to pair and unpair the earbud itself. So that's how easy it is to play with it. I really like this. This is going to be one of my favorite headphones from now on. I'm going to play with it. I have to mention a few things that when you are going to play with it, the bass itself is not that bad. It is hi-fi. So that means is when you are playing a song that is stereo, is going to play it properly. So if the lift drum is playing, you're going to hear it properly. And also it has that little virtual surrounding. So that means as if you're watching a movie and the plane goes from one side to another, you will be able to hear it from that ear going to the other side. So they made that part work really good. The only thing is that when I'm trying to play a bass, like a really heavy bass, then you will feel the little buzzing noise into it. That means is it's trying to bring that bass to it, but it's not going to do a 100% job. It's roughly about 70 to 75%. This will do the job accurately for you. And I know that a lot of us that are going for jogging and they want to place something like this in their ear, I have to mention that it sits properly when you use the proper head inside of your ear, except that, yeah, it will slip off and it will fall. So make sure that you don't miss it, but except that it is really cool. So this is something like if you're in a library or you want to walk somewhere, you want to listen to some music, a lot of people would not notice for this headpiece itself that is sitting inside of your ear, so that way you will be able to listen to your music. A good part is that it is very touch sensitive, so when you tap it one time, it will be able to pause your video, or if you get a call, you just have to tap it one time and it will be able to grab the voice properly. One more thing I want to mention is that when you are trying to make a call with this, the sound, the other side that told me, it sounds like I am inside of a room, not that the actual mic of the phone is near to your mouth when you're talking. That's the only thing. But again, it can be that that person is very, very touchy and they want us to hear us like really close to them, and that's why they were telling us this. But again, when we were testing it ourselves, it sounds very clear. I really like that for making calls and hanging up calls and also picking up calls using this earbud. So it really worked out for me. Now, as per paperwork, this true wireless earbuds can handle up to 7 hours on each headphones. And also, when you put them back in the case, it should hold a charge for up to 30 hours. So this way it will last you longer. I want to mention that when we were testing and also playing with the songs, I reached roughly about 5.5 hours, or a little bit longer. And that way we were able to listen to the song and then just got disconnected. And that's why you saw that we were charging the case again. Now, this was our take on the Bomaker SIFI 2, which is true Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. All the links will be available where you can order it from. On top of that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.